Hello, this is Chris Presents. It's Saturday, September 25th, 2021, and the time is about 10:15 p.m. I'm just gonna show you a little bit the Lakeshore Park, and also there is fireworks going on. Let's go this way. I'm in Chicago. Show you some fireworks here in downtown Chicago. I'm in Lakeshore Park. We're gonna go on Pier Street and go to Lakeshore Drive and get a better look of the fireworks. This is Pier Street, and that's a playground here. I'll get you another better view of the fireworks, and this is Lakeshore Drive. This is Lakeshore Drive right here. We're in downtown Chicago. You're watching the fireworks from Navy Pier. It's about 10:20 p.m. on Saturday, September 25th, 2021. Chris Presents is Saturday night, September 25th, 2021. I'm in downtown Chicago on Lakeshore Drive watching fireworks from Navy Pier. This is the corner here of Chicago Avenue and Lakeshore Drive. Everybody enjoying the fireworks from the cars. Alright, we're going to walk back, show you a little bit the neighborhood there. This is Chicago Avenue. As you continue to hear the loud, beautiful sound of the fireworks. We're in the Streeterville neighborhood in downtown Chicago. It's Saturday night, September 25th, 2021. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe underneath this video from a smartphone. If you are watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this on TikTok, Instagram, on Twitter, just go to youtube.com/Chris Presents. That's KRZENTZ. So we're gonna continue walking down in Streeterville. I'm gonna show you the park again. This is Lakeshore Park. This is the residential neighborhood. These are the high-rises of downtown Chicago. The reason you're watching this video vertically is because I'm gonna make multiple videos here for each social media platform. Short videos, less than 1 minute, and the short videos on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. They have to be vertically to be considered short videos. But this is the longer version, and it's going to be about 10 minutes long. And you can see the John Hancock Center lit up over here, more than 100 stories tall. And right next to it, you see the water tower place residencies. So we're just gonna walk a little bit this way. It's still going on, the fireworks behind you can still hear it. It's a little bit far away, but it's very loud. I just wanted you to see it and hear it. And now we're back on Chicago Avenue, walking west and Streeterville. And now we're gonna make a right. Actually, we'll go back into the park. This is Lakeshore Park. You can see there's tennis court over there. Tennis courts over there. And there's our running tracks. It's a beautiful night. It's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice and cool, comfortable. Beautiful trees, beautiful green everywhere in here. This is the Streeterville neighborhood right in downtown Chicago, not far from the lakefront and not far from Michigan Avenue. Beautiful, beautiful residential neighborhood. You can still hear the fireworks. And this is Pearson Street. Walk down on Pearson Street. And then we're gonna make a right on DeWitt, going north. I'm gonna show you again the John Hopkins Center, and we're gonna end the video shortly. I just want you to see the building at night when it's lit up. One of the tallest buildings in Chicago. Here it is, right over there, with the blue light and the antenna on top. Alright, thank you everybody for watching. This is Chris Crescents from downtown Chicago in Streeterville. It's about 10:30 p.m. on Saturday, September 25th, 2021. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.